Hi, I'm hosting two very special low-cost workshops in Manchester, showing you how you can leverage the power of Amazon and generate a great income for yourself and your family. Hey, I'm John Fisher, the co-founder of Amazing Seller Success. In this full-day workshop, I'm going to show you how you can create your own physical products, import them from China and sell them on the world's largest marketplace, Amazon. This is an automated business model that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. At the workshop, we're going to show you how to find out what to sell. We're going to teach you how to get it in from China at a very low cost, and we're going to teach you how to put your own brand on. When your goods sell, Amazon do all the heavy lifting. There's no going down to the post office or anything like that. Amazon literally runs your business for you. There's no need for costly staff, there's no need for costly offices, things like that. You can work exactly from where you are now, from your spare room at home, and get your business up and running. The best part about it is my workshop is just £27 for you to attend. You can get started with minimal investment and there's no technical skills that are required. Right now is the right time because this is an automated business that can be run from a laptop and an internet connection no matter where you are. So book your ticket now and I look forward to meeting you personally at the event.